Hello Dollies, today we're finally going to be doing a makeup tutorial. This has been asked for quite a few times, so I'm finally doing it. And let's just get started. I've already done my eyelash extensions, so I don't do anything to my eyelashes. I just use eyelash extensions. So we're going to start with contour. I also don't wear foundation, so I skipped that part too. The product I'm using is a Judy Doll contour slash like eyeshadow palette. I actually do not recommend this because it's not very pigmented. It's very pretty, but it's not very pigmented. So I decided I was going to try to do a contour that's like two C's from my eyebrow coming down my nose and then making a curve off my nose. So I'm just taking a dark brown color from my eyebrow to down my nose and curving it, and the same thing underneath my nose. I'm going from one side to the other underneath my nose and up. Now I'm going to take a lighter shade and make another smaller C shape in the inner corner of my eyes to brighten up my eyes. And I also will take a lighter color down the bridge of my nose and then a little dot on the end of my nose. I'm not very good at contouring, so I just try to do my best. Next, my favorite thing ever to use is liquid eyeshadow, sparkly liquid eyeshadows for the inner corner of my eyes, underneath my eyes, and on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose. Shimmer liquid eyeshadows are the best thing to use for this. I don't use highlighters. I just use these eyeshadows and they stick and they stay all day. These both are from Dollar Tree. And also, it dries down, but I decided to brighten it up even more with highlighter that was in the Judy Doll palette. Next, I go underneath my eyes with a light color, a cream color, and try to brighten up my underneath of my eyes where tear bag is. And then I'm gonna go in with this CoverGirl like lip stain marker pen. Lip pen, put a little bit on the top where my cupid's bow is, and then a little tiny bit like underneath. Like I basically just draw a line underneath my lip and then on the top of my lip. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite palette. I will also link all these products down below. I've made a Amazon like list so you can find all the stuff like I have for my room and the makeup I use and the clothes I wear. I took the orangish color from that eyeshadow palette and I put it all over my lid, and then I'm taking it and then also putting it underneath my eye. Next, I'm taking this really cheap Dolly General eyeshadow palette that I got. I think it's Wet n Wild, and I'm just taking a darker brown color and I'm just going from the center of where my eyeball is and then taking it to the very end. So like right underneath where my bottom lashes are, I'm taking that where the center of my eye is and then dragging it out to the end. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild brown eyeliner and I literally just go from the end of my eye just a little bit out and kind of try to make a straight line. It never comes out straight because the way my eyes are and my eyelids are, like after I've stretched out my eye, so I almost always have like a puppy dog type look. Then I'm taking the brown eyeliner and going into the inside of my eyes and just doing a line on the inside of where my tear ducts are. Then I'm taking the brown eyeliner and going very close underneath where my bottom eyelashes are and dragging it up to connect the line of my wing to the bottom. So I'm just basically connecting the lines, tiny wing, and then going underneath and connecting it just to make it stand out more. So I'm going from the center of my eye underneath to connect that wing. Then I'm going where my tear bags are and then creating a little line. This was a little dark, so I kind of blended it out and like accentuating my tear bags. Then I'm taking that liquid eyeshadow, going on in between the lines where my eyelash line is and my tear bag line is, and I'm just highlighting that area. So when I smile, it looks like more bright. And then I'm putting some more on the inside of my eyes also. Also, putting a line from where your eyelashes start on the inner corner of your eye, where your tear ducts are, and dragging it down will make your eyes look bigger. Basically, you're doing a wing on the outside of your eye. You're also making a little wing on the inside of your eye. Next, I'm taking a liquid liner that I've had like forever. It's a Lottie. I don't know if you can get this at Walmart anymore, but I got it from Walmart, and I'm just kind of making it darker where I put the eyeliner, the pencil eyeliner, and making it darker. Right here, I'm saying that whenever I do this line on the inside of my eyes, you can see like my eyeball doesn't feel all of my eye socket on both corners of my eye. It's like pinched in. Anyways, right here I'm just touching up my contour and highlighter and dancing. Next is my favorite part. It's blush, and I got a Hello Kitty blush. You can also get this Hello Kitty product still off of Amazon. I usually take a blush and put it in the center of my cheeks and kind of spread it out a little, and then I do it on my nose and I do a little bit on my chin. So I try to put it as center to my face as possible because I have a very narrow face, so I'm trying to make my face look more round and full, and so I put it on the center and then kind of drag it out, and then on my nose and on my chin. You can also take this and put it on your lip, the blush on your lip, like on your upper lip and your bottom lip. Also, I'm taking my favorite lip balm. This is Cupcake from Dollar Tree, and this is also a lip gloss or a lip oil from Dollar Tree. I use them both together. They're my favorite lip product. And with that said, you're all done. I don't know how I like the way this look comes out. Here's me showing you with my pink like filter, and then showing you what it looks like in person. It doesn't really look this so saturated. It doesn't actually look so saturated in real life, but my phone makes everything look super saturated. It's like an in-between of this pink filter and saturated. So it's like an in-between. It's a lot more muted. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you want to see, this is one of the styles that I do. I guess it's more dramatic, but almost every makeup look I do looks kind of dramatic on my face because I got very sharp features. Oh, but look how pinched in my eyes look. They like this part of my eye is like dragged down, like almost like you pinch your nose. It looks like it's like going down eyes, because my eyes kind of do like, well, it looks like I got a bruise. Kind of got like puppy dog type eyes. Yeah, and I'll just connect my under eyes. This is literally just connecting lines. It's pretty easy. The hardest part for me is contour. I don't use foundation because I was told by actually my eye doctor. She was like, you have perfect skin. Never use foundation. And I was just like, also, she was pretty old, so I bet foundation when she was younger was like destroyed your skin a lot more. So I was just like, okay, so I just don't use foundation. I try to keep up with my skincare. Like, I break out a lot. If I'm not careful, I wash my face twice a day, but a lot of freckles, so I kind of cover up and blend in my freckles with henna. My lips, all I do is put like a shadow on the top of my lips and a shadow underneath my lips, and then put on whatever chapstick. I also don't hardly ever wear makeup, not because I don't want to. I always get like, I want to do makeup so bad and it almost never comes out the way I want. I just wear eyelash extensions and some tinted chapsticks most of the time. But I think this look came out pretty good, but I still think it kind of looks odd on me. If I practice more, I'll get better. Harsh colors on sharp features for me makes me look even more masculine, I guess you would say. I get that. I used to get that, and I still get that a lot. People think I'm a boy. But if you like this video and you would like to see another makeup look that I could try, you can do suggestions down below, because I love trying out new things, and believe me, I've tried out a lot of different makeup stuff. But if you like this video and you'd like to see more like it, comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.